Hi guys, it's me Kuya Driggs and now we're here again for our new art project. So keep on watching guys and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, these are the materials na kakailanganin natin para sa ating art project. First, empty box, luma o bago, all-purpose glue, buhangin, white cement, acrylic paint, then pumili ako ng kulay na pampasko which is red, green, and also yellow. Glue gun, of course, glue stick, marker, gold paint marker, sponge, and paintbrush. Okay guys, magsimula na tayo. So, kunin natin guys ang ating empty box. And then, lagyan natin siya ng pattern using our marker. Okay, so naisip kong lagyan siya ng poinsettia flower. So commonly ito talaga yung design na sumisimbolo sa Pasko. Then here. So, yan yung gagamit natin. Okay guys, so next, kunin natin yung white cement at ang ating buhangin. So, kailangan natin silang paghaluin. So, take 2 tablespoon ng buhangin and then 2 tablespoon ng white cement. Okay, then paghaluin natin siya. Okay. And then take the box. Now, lagyan natin ng all-purpose glue ang surface ng ating box. Except yung sa design na nilagay natin. Okay, so, ganyan. Then much better guys, I forgot wear gloves every time na gagawa tayo ng project. So since wala akong available na gloves, so I'm gonna use my bare hands para mag-spread tong glue gun natin. Glue, all-purpose glue.
Bliss is calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you. Never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. You. Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus comes to town? Have you wrote your list to get up for good? Hurry down the chimney tonight. I wait impatiently for you, my Santa baby. I really do believe in you. Christmas is waiting for you. It'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. I see everywhere around the fairies of December. Can you feel the joy when Santa Claus is coming to town? Santa Claus has come to town. And I remember the presents and the lights in the trees, the smell of chestnut boiling on the heat. And I remember dreaming, buried in a comfy blanket that I will never forget. When I was waiting for the snow to fall to make a giant snowman, my heart was jingling over and over. I won't forget that snowman, I won't forget those years, an amazing time I love. This will forever be the wonders of Christmas. Christmas is waiting for you. We'll never start without you, never start without you. Christmas is all about you. I see everywhere around.
So guys, this will be the last part ng ating art project. So para ma-highlight yung design ng ating decorative box, which is poinsettia flower, gagamit tayo ng gold paint marker.
Never be the wonders of Christmas. Christmas is waiting for you. We'll never start without you, never start without